In this video, I'll show you how to play Roblox without a VPN in Qatar, and why it may not always work, along with a safer and easier solution using NordVPN. First, let's try playing Roblox without a VPN. Open Roblox on your mobile device or PC and log in as usual. In some cases, Roblox may work fine if there are no regional restrictions, allowing you to browse games, join servers, and play normally. However, in Qatar, certain network restrictions or Roblox server limitations can prevent the game from loading, cause connection errors, or block access to some games. Even if Roblox is installed correctly, you might experience slow connections, frequent disconnects, or be unable to join certain servers. If Roblox isn't working properly, the easiest and safest way to fix this is by using a VPN. The VPN I recommend is NordVPN because it's fast, reliable, and works on mobile, PC, and Mac. It's very simple to use, even if you've never used a VPN before, and it keeps your connection private and secure while you play. You can find the link in the description to get started with NordVPN at a great price. After installing NordVPN, open the app and log in with your account. The first thing you'll see is a world map and a list of server locations. No. You can either scroll through the list or search for a specific country. For the best Roblox performance in Qatar, I recommend connecting to a nearby country with fast servers, like the United Arab Emirates, Germany, or Singapore. These locations generally offer lower ping and smoother gameplay. Once you've selected a country, tap or click to connect. NordVPN will establish a secure connection, and you'll see a confirmation that says, "Connected." It's important to make sure the connection is fully established before opening Roblox, because the game relies on your current network location. While waiting, you can also explore NordVPN's features. For example, you can enable the kill switch, which protects your real IP address if the VPN connection drops, and threat protection, which blocks malicious websites, ads, and trackers. This means you're not only bypassing restrictions, but also keeping your gaming session safe. With NordVPN connected, open Roblox again. On mobile, launch the app normally. On PC, open Roblox Player or go to the official Roblox website. Log into your account, and you should see Roblox load properly. You can browse games, join servers, and start playing without interruptions. If Roblox still doesn't load immediately, log out of your account, close the app completely, keep NordVPN connected, and reopen it. This refreshes your session and ensures Roblox recognizes the new server location. One tip for the smoothest experience is to always keep NordVPN running in the background while you play. Disconnecting the VPN during gameplay may cause Roblox to stop working or kick you out of so it's a constant fear that contains the online tax that recognizes the data we viewed and conforms other fundings. Another tip is to choose servers with lower ping for better speed. NordVPN shows server load and latency, so you can pick the fastest option available. NordVPN isn't just about accessing Roblox. It also makes your connection safer by encrypting your data, hiding your IP address, and blocking trackers while you're online. This extra security is especially useful if you play on public Wi-Fi or shared networks. So to sum up, you can try playing Roblox without a VPN, but if regional restrictions stop it from working, simply install NordVPN, connect to a supported country, and enjoy Roblox safely, smoothly, and securely in Qatar. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.